Hi, this is Ian Galigas, and this is the very first episode of On the Flip Side. Flip Side is the brainchild of myself and Front Media Entertainment, and it's so wonderful to finally get this opportunity to be here to talk to you about things that we want to talk about. It's not your usual talk show. We make sure that our guests feel comfortable and are free to talk about anything they want at any point in time, of course within reason. Now, Front Media Entertainment has been in this industry for quite some time, but this is the first time that they're producing all these different shows, and I'm very, very proud to say that I'm part of it. They're taking care of everything from the production side to the marketing side to managing talents. And it's not just one talent with actors and models. We're talking about talents. And I think that's the right way to go. Taking care of the script writers, the makeup artists, the people behind the scenes, the photographers, the videographers, the director of photography. Everyone and anyone who's part of this industry should be represented and should be taken care of. And that's Front Media Entertainment. They provided me with such a wonderful staff of people who work together. We make sure that everything that we do is the best or is part of what we are passionate about. My passion is talking to people, understanding them, knowing where they're coming from. Sooner or later, we're going to be moving on, and on the flip side, it's going to do more outrageous things. It's going to veer away from the usual talk show, and we're going to start doing a lot of crazy stunts with our guests, just to ensure that, you know, they're comfortable, and you see them on their flip side, how they are. I'm really, really excited, and I'm very, very grateful to Front Media Entertainment for making sure that this will happen. This has happened. 7 days of brainstorming and taking care of everything in the production, but they were there every step of the way. So I'm just very grateful. Thank you very much to Front Media Entertainment. They also made sure that I had the wonderful gown, that a wonderful hairdresser made sure that I was looking really as humanly as possible, close to human as possible, when I went to the Star Magic Ball. And next week's episode, we're actually going to go through the different clothes that the actors and actresses wore on that night. And we're going to have a segment called What the Frock, where we dissect what they wore, whether it was a hit or a miss. Socialize with us on Facebook, On the Flip Side PH, YouTube, On the Flip Side PH, and follow us on Twitter, On the Flip Side PH. And make sure to check our website, ontheflipside.frontmediaentertainment.com. Coming up, our very special guest, Miss Jody Santa Maria. Have been happening this past few weeks. A lot of things have been happening to us and to the entire country. We actually said goodbye, farewell to a very, very wonderful man. He's a great leader, a great public servant, Secretary Jesse Robredo. Our condolences to your family. You have our support, and you are always in our thoughts. Another person who managed talaga, diba? But another person who passed away was Neil Armstrong. And for those of you who are not aware who Neil Armstrong is, dahil napakarami nila sa internet, siya po ang first na nag-walk sa space at nag-walk sa moon. Okay? Neil Armstrong. Si Lance Armstrong, nagba-bicycle. Okay? Buhay pa siya. Huwag natin siyang patayin. At si Louis Armstrong, noong 1971 pa po siya patay, and he's black. And Billie Joe Armstrong, ang singer ng Green Day, buhay pa rin. At si Neil Patrick Harris, buhay pa rin. Nasa Google ka na nga, hindi mo pa ginugol, nasa internet ka na, susunga-sunga ka pa. Ano ba? Ano ka na eh? Ayun na oh. Diba? So, anyway, I'm very excited because our very first guest is someone who's very, very special to me. Miss Jody Santa Maria will be here talking to you about stuff, everything and anything about being a mom and all of that. And of course, she is the lead star for the top rating show, Be Careful With My Heart. So you better stick around. You're watching On the Flip Side. Alright, our very first episode, of course, needs a very special guest because this show is very important to me and I'm very emotionally attached to it. The guest that we have for tonight is also equally emotionally attached to me, I think, in a way. But I've worked with her when she was still a little girl in Tabing Ilog, and we work again together in Pangako Sayo. Now she is playing the very quirky and very magnanimous Maya de la Rosa in the very big show called Be Careful With My Heart. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Jody Santa Maria. Yes, girl! I'm so happy. Umupo ka muna sa aking ship. Okay?
Pangmayaman.
Pangmayaman. Maiba naman ako ng level. Sana wag naman yung halaman ang kausapin natin. Mukha lang akong halaman. How are you?
Good.
You're gorgeous. No, thank
At ako
you.
nag-buena mano ng iyong show.
Naman, buena mano ka ng ship.
Congratulations!
Hey.
Alam kung gustong-gusto mo to.
Maiba naman ang role, diba?
Diba?
Iba naman siya. Hindi naman ako yaya all the
Other
time.
side of you. Ipakita mo sa lahat na...
Flip side.
Yes.
Parang ikaw, flip side tayo ngayon. Ikaw naman nagchimay ngayon, di ba? Ikaw naman ang yaya ngayon.
Bilogan mo. Ikot-ikot lang.
Ikot-ikot lang yan. Pero kung na yata pinakamagandang chimeres at pinakamagandang yayay sa buong mundo.
Salamat.
When this was offered to you, when Maya was offered to you, what were your first thoughts?
Well, actually, when this was offered to me, I liked it right away. Kasi, kakaiba eh.
Right.
Hindi siya dramatic, hindi siya mabigat. Alam mo yung light lang.
Carry lang.
Oo, tapos napaka-positive nung mensahe ng show, ng attitude ng mga characters. So, I think para sabi ko, kakaiba naman to doon sa mga ginagawa ko na lagi na lang may kidnapan, amnesia, mga ganon.
Ilang beses ka na nag-amnesia?
Hindi ko na yata lang, diba, no? So, yun. And, in a way, nakita ko rin yung sarili ko sa character ni...
Ikaw si Maya?
Hindi naman sobrang ako. Kasi
OA naman,
sa
OA naman.
positive, optimistic ni Maya.
Ba't hindi ka ba optimistic?
I am, but iba lang yung level niya. Siya na yung, Reyna ng good vibes, hindi ba?
Reyna na ito ng good vibes.
So, yan, sabi ko, and, hindi ba pag nagtatrabaho ka na yung role na pinaportray mo is very positive, very masaya lang, hindi ba? Parang somehow it affects you as a person. So parang nadadala niya ako.
Saan mo hinugot si Maya? Paano mo siya binild? Paano mo siya ginawa?
Siyempre, I sat down with the writers, the producers, ganyan, and then they told me kung ano yung gusto nilang makita ni Maya. And sabi lang nila na parang hindi naman siya nalalayo sa kung paano ka talaga in real life. So, ganun lang. Nilagyan lang namin ng konting bale, ng twist yung character niya, ganyan.
So yun, saan mo hinugot si Maya? Paano mo siya hinugot? Paano mo siya hinulma? Paano mo siya ginawa?
Sa totoo lang, hindi ko rin alam. So, promise yun. Hindi ko rin alam. Basta, dumating ako sa set ng, sabi ko, okay, basta positive lang siya sa buhay niya. Lahat nagagawa niyang tawanan. So, yun lang yung pinagkuhanan ko. Dun lang ako nagsimula.
Okay.
Hanggang sa habang tumatakbo yung storya, nung nagagamay ko na yung character niya, na-injectan ko na siya ng, siguro sa mga ganitong moments, alam mo yung may pagka-inosente, naive siya, pero, alam mo pa rin yun na, hindi naman siya yung tanga eh.
Oo.
Ano lang talaga siya?
Bubbly lang.
Oo, ganun lang talaga siya. Bubbly lang siya.
Which is a very extreme character naman from the character that you had in your film, yung indie film mo, Migrante.
Yes, oo.
So, yun naman ang
yun naman kasi,
ginawa.
ang bigat naman kasi no, ang pinagdaanan, yung journey ng character ni Frida na na maltrato, na molest siya sa ibang bansa. Alam mo yung typical na nangyayari sa mga OFWs natin na
Paano mo naman siya hinugot? Paano mo, I mean, it's a very different character that's it's so unlike you. So how were you able to produce that character on screen and make it 3D?
Siguro dahil in-expose din naman kami. Meron kaming group na tinatawag na Migrante International na sa kanila kami parang, anyway, humingi ng tulong na paano ba, ano ba talaga nangyayari. So, they showed us pictures, ito yung totoong nangyayari. So, from there, makukuha mo na yung makakahugot ka na, tapos bubuuin mo na lang yung, kumbaga, yung puzzle eh.
Mahirap
Ganun yung
ba?
nangyari.
I mean, did it affect you in a personal way?
Siyempre mabigat. Kasi hindi ba parang, grabe, parang iisipin mo as a person na, ang saya, ang sarap ng buhay ko dito. Tapos may mga tao pala na ganun kabigat at kalaki yung pinagdadaanan sa ibang bansa, hindi ba, na ang layo pa nila sa mga pamilya nila. Yun pa lang napakalaking sakripisyo na napakahirap na tayong mga Pinoy alam natin na very, close ang family ties natin, hindi ba? Tingnan, Pasko, parties, lahat. Ngayon, tawag mo si ate, maghiram ka pera kay kuya. Magkakasama tayo lagi sa hirap at ginhawa. Pero yung iwanan mo, yung pamilya mo, mga anak mo, para lang mabigyan sila ng magandang buhay, malaking sakripisyo na yun, mahirap na yun para doon sa tao na mawalay sa pamilya niya. Yung may iwan dito magkakasama, pero siya nag-iisa doon. Hindi niya alam yung panganib na kakaharapin niya doon sa ibang bansa.
Lalim panganib? Lalim ng word?
Yun. So, yun lang.
Ang hirap nga naman. But did that affect you in a way na on a personal level that it affected? Paano mo siya natanggal? Kasi alam ko kilala kita eh. Pag umaarte ka, yung character, ikaw na eh. So, ang hirap nang tanggalin. What did you do to get rid of the character naman?
Wala lang. Siguro, balik lang sa realidad na, hindi ikaw yan, character lang yan. Parang just conscious effort lang din naman yung kailangan mong gawin. Kasi medyo, ako nga talaga yung tipo ng taong na pag nag-portray ako ng isang role, I get attached masyado dun sa character na minsan. Isipin nyo na lang, parang kung kontrabida.
Paano nga, wag, nakatakot, wag, afraid. Speaking of kontrabida, biglang may ganun eh, no? Hindi, wag. Iwasan natin ang droga. Iwasan natin ang droga.
Dapat lang. Good vibes lang lagi.
Good vibes lang lagi. Dapat iniiwasan natin ang droga. Alright. I have a game for you. Just a very short game. Kasi one of the changes in your life, being a mom, I know this for a fact, is nagkaroon ka ng extensive knowledge of wrestling.
Sadali lang wait lang. Parang lang, wag naman masyadong extensive.
Okay.
Baka naman...
Sufficient knowledge of wrestlers.
Lang. Naging aware lang ako sa mga wrestlers and Though, when I was a kid, kami ng brother ko, nanonood kami ng WWF pa noon, hindi pa WWE.
O, tama, alam mo yung diferensya? Alam mo yung difference?
May pagbabago na ngayon. So, naaliw kami kasi pag bata ka pala, pag pinanood mo yung wrestling, akala mo totoo yung nangyayari at apektado ka doon sa mga napapanood mo.
Correct.
Tapos habang lumalaki ka, marirealize mo na, sapaw lang yung suntok ko. Di ba gano'n? Hindi naman pala totoo yun.
Nagre-wrestling ba kayo ni Moy?
Mahilig siya mag-wrestling. Minsan nga bilang, chok. Ganon. Mahilig siya sa wrestling. Natuwa siya kahit yung mga games sa PS3, yun, mga wrestling yan.
It's just amazing how you've changed. But anyway, ito yung game natin. Okay? You need to name 10 na to 10 na lang. You need to name 10 wrestlers in 60 seconds.
Wait, timer talaga to?
May timer ito, 60 seconds. Naka-ready na dito.
Oh my God.
Kung hindi, si John Del, ang aming assistant, iwa-wax natin.
Oh my God.
Oo. John Del, pakikuha na nga lang si John Del para makita natin. Ayan siya.
Susumpa niya ako.
Ayan. So, pag hindi ka nakapag-name ng 10 wrestlers in 60 seconds, iwa-wax natin siya. Isang kilay at isang patilya.
Wait, totoo to? Kilay?
Totoo to. At duct tape ang gagamitin natin.
Oh, no!
Okay. So, sa'yo nakasalalay.
Ang lamig ng kamay ko.
Ang lamig na bigla, Saan kabuhukan niya? Sa'yo nakasalalay. So, if we're ready ka na?
Kahit yung mga dati pa.
Kahit na dati pa. Basta kailangan 10. 10 yan. Sa'yo nakasalalay ang buhok ni John Del. Okay. 60 seconds. 10 wrestlers. Ready? Go.
John Cena, Triple H, Brock Lesnar, Kofi Kingston, Big Show, Jake the Snake Roberts, Undertaker, The Bushwhackers, siya kasi Bret Hartman!
Yes. Ikinatutuwa niya.
Thank you.
His kilay takes you forever. his kilay will thank you and his kili-kili thanks you for it. At in fairness ha, bago na mga wrestlers mo.
yan. Kasi sa website ng WWE, sa WWE shop, merong ano yan, may mga legends, nandun sila yan, sina Hulk Hogan, sila yun, di ba? Tapos yung mga mas bago, sina John Cena, magkahiwalay sila. So, tinitignan din. Kasi hindi ba yung mga bata, Mommy, si ganyan, pagtatanungin nila, kailangan alam mo rin, kasi pag hindi mo alam yung person na pinag-uusapan nila, they get parang,
parang, hindi ka makarelate, Mami.
So, kailangan you make yourself aware and you educate yourself about these things. Mga ganun.
I know there are certain things that we don't talk about and we shouldn't talk about on air or in any kind of medium that is recorded. But, are you open to new love? Are you open to love?
Yes. I mean, even though na nanggaling ako sa isang failed relationship, I have never lost faith in love.
What are you looking for in a man now? I'm sure your standards have changed.
Oo naman.
So ano nang hinahanap mo?
It's not all about yung mga butterflies and hindi na ganun eh. Parang, of course, you'd be looking for something na definitely wala dun sa hindi
may laman.
Hindi ba? So, ayun lang. Someone na unang-una marunong rumespeto ng babae.
Correct.
Responsable. Yun lang naman eh. Hindi na masyadong after sa books. Hindi na masyadong mga...
May initials ba ito?
Ha?
May initials ba?
Ayoko.
Kasi erase ba tayo? Erase.
Saan?
Bakit parang nagpa-blush ka?
Hindi ako nag-blush
Yung blush on mo ha, makapal Richard. Kaya na, ayan, pinagpawisan bigla. Lamig-lamig dito sa studio, pinagpapawisan bigla. Hindi naman RR ang initials nito.
Hindi.
Hindi naman former love team to.
Hindi rin. Hindi talaga.
Rin.
Pag ready na, sige, sasabihin ko sa inyo dito.
I love it! Pag ready ka na.
Pag ready na.
Alright. Be Careful With My Heart is on every weekdays, 10 in the morning, 10:30?
10:45.
10:45 in the morning at ABS-CBN. Si Maya De La Rosa po. Andun po siya. Anything else that you'd like to promote? Any of your films?
Actually, we are coming out with an album.
Oh, yes! Ay, singer na siya!
Nakakatawa. Yun, abangan po ninyo. Be Careful With My Heart soundtrack.
So, may kakaroon ng Be Careful With My Heart concert na to.
Actually, nakakatawa kasi may gusto nang mag-produce ng concert namin sa December. So, nag-hope lang kami na sana mag-push through. Sana maayos sa schedule. So, yung album, I think lalabas siya mga 2nd or 3rd week of September.
show for this week. Thank you very much to our guest, our very special guest, Jody Santa Maria. And thank you very much, of course, to Front Media Entertainment for making this happen. I'd like to thank Ms. Sheila Ambre for my beautiful shoes. Thank you very much for the Prada shoes. Sana meron ulit next week. Speaking of next week, we have a great show next week. We will have Miss Nina Ricci Alagao, Binibining Pilipinas Universe 2000, and Jaco Benin. So make sure you stay tuned on the flip side. Good night, everyone.